Guy, when he and him friend been there together for Enugu, they be day 1 or 2 together, then stay with each other. In fact, now this particular one help this guy. Now this guy help this him friend when they dey Enugu. That one can't do finish. They stay together. He can't come out. Thank you. He no talk. This one he no do. Appreciation he no show. But that one no disturb this our guy. Our guy can, experience some kind hardship. And mind you, this guy, as he move come out from our guy house for Enugu, things can't they work out well for Ramo. He starts business, he get work, he get side hustle.
He can't dey form big boy for
money
a friend.
Come full everywhere. In friend we don house and come dey beg and say, my guy, I just move now. I make move from Enugu enter Lagos. And you know, say when person make move like that, they easy. Things hard one kind. I beg. You fit help me make I see even if na 20,000. Yet the amount 20,000 to take chop. The one wey house for Enugu for almost 2 years. He can't call am now say my guy alpha person wey never talk to am for almost a year and a half. I just get work.
The first beg good. I'm sorry.
No verse. For that time when you beg me, I know say you beg me severally. You say you need help, but you get as things been there. No be say 20k na big money, but just be get as things be there. No verse. Another thing wey dey there be say I don get new work now. The money pass that one wey I been dey earn for Enugu, and then say make I find where I go dey stay. I fit come stay with you.
Chai.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Oh yo, mema, oh yo.
For the people where they wonder wetin happen, no vex. You see, I decide say make una see wetin I dey see, because when it start to dey do yo, me I come look and say anything dey happen wey me I no know.
Na the beat na, you know they feel am. Oh yo.
Rugged.
Wow. See, you know what they shock me be say they understand, they try to contact from this my singing anointing.
Anybody will go watch this video today show edition will be Tuesday 24th of June 2025. The person wey talk say I no wan understand the music career and talent. In hair way smooth na me brush am for am. Plus that beer wey una dey see wey he fine for this video.
The only day wey he try
no
take
calm down. I no try. I take care of you every other day.
The ginger.
I take care of you every other day.
Where am I coming from?
Coming from how? Where they come from? Where everywhere come scatter?
You will not understand.
That's
why. That is why I am a man.
Yeah, a man.
You know, there's a way a man will hustle. You go forget his both take care of yourself.
Which hustle?
Because you have bills to pay.
Which bills?
You have house rent to pay.
Which bills?
You have school fees to pay.
I don't understand.
You have guests to give money. You have your family to give money.
Rewind.
You
Stop.
Stop waiting now. Allow me come people to give money.
You say you have
neighbors to give money. You have
pause that thing. I see what I ask.
No, I don't go answer that question.
You have girls to give money.
Let's boast at the show.
You have girls to give money.
Ladies and
gentlemen, wait, you have girls to give money.
We're here. Compound Wahala.
You don't give me money before.
Let's kick off the show.
You don't give me money before.
I don't understand.
You don't give me money before.
You don't ask.
I go ask you. Me and you wait inside this house. I go ask you.
Have you asked? And you didn't. The Bible say, "Ask and it shall be given." Have you asked?
Rugged pastor.
Ask.
Rugged pastor.
Ask.
Rugged pastor.
Oh yeah, ask.
The battle line has been drawn. Welcome to the show today.
Hey, battle line.
The battle line has been drawn.
It depends on the line.
No problem.
Which of the lines is it for war?
Welcome to the show today.
Or for which one?
My people, I salute tonight, greet tonight, hey Luna. Like I talked today, na Tuesday, the 24th of June, 2025. June done they round up very quickly and seriously.
It's alright. It's okay.
As we dey talk so now, it's just a few minutes past 9, 12 minutes to be precise, and we don't enter the second edition for this week for Compound Wahala on top your better station will be 89.9 Yanga FM, the station we sabi. No other station sabi. Any station we tell you say them sabi that they lie.
They learn work.
And of course for here my name be Baby Lawyer, aka Adankana, aka the Compound Wahala Madam.
All right, rugged pastor. Now my name be that. Call me I'm a sugar laga. If you're a fine woman, if you just join us, do us one favor tonight. Tell somebody to tune in. Win one soul. One choice say that go a fishing. Yeah. Win one soul. Tell and say tune to 89.9 Yanga FM. We'll go there with you from now to 11 p.m.
And of course, if you want to listen to us for the diaspora or anywhere for the nation aside Lagos, just listen from our web, will be www.yanga899.fm. www.yanga899.fm. Listen to us from there. You go to hear us loud and clear from that way. And we go hit them up very quickly. This one, the matter dey for Compound Wahala segment, because me and Rugged don't argue. Now that matter we dey argue about reach now is simple. Guy, when he and him friend been there together for Enugu, they be day 1 or 2 together, then stay with each other. In fact, now this particular one help this guy. Now this guy help this him friend when they dey Enugu. That one can't do finish. They stay together. He can't come out. Thank you. He no talk. This one he no do. Appreciation he no show. But that one no disturb this our guy. Our guy can experience some kind hardship. And mind you, this guy, as he move come out from our guy house for Enugu, things can't they work out well for Ramo. He starts business, he get work, he get side hustle.
He can't dey form big boy for
money
a friend.
come full everywhere. In friend we don house and come dey beg and say, my guy, I just move now. I make move from Enugu enter Lagos. And you know, say when person make move like that, they easy. Things hard one kind. I beg, you fit help me make I see even if na 20,000. Yet the amount 20,000 to take chop. He can't tell the guy say you no get that kind of money. Mind you, the best way say you no get 20,000 to give him friend wey house am for almost 2 years. In the earn over 650,000 for standard salary. He get another bonuses and things of like 150.
Now big boy.
So now almost 1 million they enter in hand every month. He say get 20k to give him guy wey house am for at least 18 months. Everybody say no problem. Fast forward to like a year, 2 months later, him now come call this in guy wey help am for Enugu. Say okay, say you don't get one other better work for Lagos.
And meanwhile, for those of that way no. For Enugu things can't run am. Sometimes life no dey dey all rosy. Things can't run am as e come broke. Nothing come out again. That job when they use buga for Enugu,
come out.
Can't lose am. Things can't run for am. You understand? And he can't get another job for Lagos now.
And the condition for him to take the job is say he need to find accommodation.
Where he go stay? I don't accommodation for Lagos. No be beans.
He cost.
No be moi.
He can't remember this in friend wey help am for Enugu.
We no appreciate.
Wey he no appreciate. Wey he no help when that one beg am for 20k. The one wey house am for Enugu for almost 2 years. He can't call am now say say my guy alpha person wey never talk to am for almost a year and a half. I just get work.
Because the first beg good. I'm sorry.
No verse. For that time when you beg me, I know say you beg me severally. You say you need help, but you get as things been there. No be say 20k na big money, but just be get as things be there. No verse. Another way there be say I don't get new work now. The money pass that one wey I been dey earn for Enugu, and then say make I find where I go dey stay. I fit come stay with you.
Chai.
So now the guy dey ask us, shey make him forgive am for the second time, accommodate am again? Abi make him just keep quiet, make him no do anything, because he no too trust the guy again.
And meanwhile, the friend say na only 3 months. Make he accommodate am for 3 months, make he fit hustle, get then rent another place for himself. You understand? He no touch me accommodate am find out like forever or for 1 year or for 6 months. He say, please, can I stay for 3 months? Make I no lose this job, because this job now dey your hand. If I tell the company say I get where to stay now, they don't give me this job. Please help me.
For me, that help go break his neck.
No, don't say that. Don't say
that. That help go kill him.
Don't say that. Why are you a child of God? Don't say that.
He no consign me. He get where my child of God reach. Even God wey talk say make you dey as meek as a dove. Say make you also dey as wise as serpent. person oyibo man wey dem dey use proverb talk say once beaten twice shy no stupid.
That one oyibo man.
For me I no go help you. I no go help you for the second time because the first time you tell me say make I help you say you need place to stay. 1 month turn to 3 months, 3 months turn to 6 months, 6 months turn to 1 year, 1 year turn to 1 year and a half, going to 2 years. And on top of that, thank you, I no see.
Baby lawyer.
Well done, I no collect. You dey my house, you no pay rent. You no pay money for food that they feed you. You no pay money for lights, money for sweeping compound, money for nothing. You comfortably dey my 2-bedroom flat for Enugu.
No.
After everything.
Now make I tell you.
You no dey grateful.
No,
you
no
come
be
tell
so.
me say now for Lagos.
Let me.
After I beg you for help when things hard for me, you no help me. You come tell me make I now for Lagos say you wan come my house again.
Make I tell you.
Lie.
Hold on.
E no go happen.
If you're a kind person,
I no kind for
it will
here.
not be anything.
I
It will not be a
kind
big
for
deal.
here.
Do you
see
know
this
why?
one, I no kind.
Let me
I no
tell you
kind.
something. Even
I
God.
no want kind.
Hold on. Now you need to have the heart of God.
I know.
Let me tell you something.
I be God.
You need to help people.
I be God.
Hold on. You need to help people without expecting anything.
They play.
Are you hearing me now?
They play,
you need
my
to,
guy.
You must learn to help people and remove whether they appreciate you or the reason why God is blessing you is to be a blessing to people. So whether they appreciate them, whether they tell you thank you or they don't tell you thank you, forget it. That's the reason why God is blessing you more.
If this guy be no need house, if he no get new work for Lagos wey make am need house, he no go come.
It does not matter.
It matters.
It does not matter.
It shows that
You have done your part.
It shows
You have shown your kindness.
He's a selfish, self-centered, narcissistic, ungrateful human being.
Do
wey
it.
no deserve any kindness.
Do-
and I no go give am.
do it
Make
for-
he go find house, hotel dey to rent, make he spend money.
No, do it for Christ's sake.
I no do am.
That means you not be born again now.
Ishigi.
You're not born again.
Ishigi.
Abeg, let us know what you go do or what you be advised for this young man right now, because the friend call him on Sunday evening say right now please now you hold my destiny.
My friend go and sleep under the bridge in Lagos. Make area boy show you welcome to Lagos.
If you accommodate me, I will get this job and life will be better for me. But if you not accommodate me, I will lose this job and my life will be miserable.
Lose
Wetin
am
be your
make
take?
your life miserable.
The number na 0904 821 3013. Make we call am again 0904 821 3013. We dey come back after that. Let us know what will be your advice. Make it help the guy based on the as a good man.
Which good man?
As a man of
Onyoma CY.
not be matter of Onyoma
Onyoma
CY. We
CY.
must learn to forgive people and do good.
I don't forgive you, but I wan make you stay away na by force. I don't forgive you, but I
If
wan
you
make
lose
you
the
stay
job,
away.
wetin you gain?
E no concern me.
Do you know why God allowed this thing to
I
happen?
no send o.
So that God can position you.
I no want.
You know, make God.
God don position me wey go better for me. I no want you.
All right.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course, we're still here together. 89.9 Yanga FM, the station with Sabi.
Confirm.
And this time where you did so, now about 25 minutes past 9 p.m. today will be the 24th day of June 2025. The name of the show still remain Compound Wahala. And of course, this segment will be there on top. Now the Compound Wahala segment. My name na baby lawyer aka Adan Kana aka the Compound Wahala Madam.
All right, rugged pastor. Now my name be that. Call me I'm a sugar, leggy, lager. If you are a fine woman.
And the matter with the drop so now about guy we be saying and the guy be done staying accommodating guy years before for Enugu. The guy stay with him for almost 2 years. Now him feed them and everything. Baba come waka comot get better work where they pay am almost $1 million, and the person wey accommodate am come move from Enugu enter Lagos. Things rough for am. Him come beg and say borrow me 20,000. Baba say he no get to give am. Fast forward to a year and 2 months later, him now can't lose that job for Enugu where they pay am almost $1 million naira. But God come help am get another work for this Lagos way past that one. But the condition be so you go need to find where to stay for Lagos for them to give you the job. Now we don't call back the same guy now. We move to Lagos years before we ask am for help. Say for the second time, you fit accommodate me. I just won't stay 3 months, and I just get new work. No vex, say I no help you that time. If you just accommodate me. After 3 months I go find my way. I go don earn better money and I go save up to get house way good. And now the guy they ask us say she making help am I be making just tell am no, because the guy really do things wey offend am, wey hurt am, wey pain am. as person wey him take as a man's man, he no expect say the guy go treat am like that. And so now where we dey, so as we dey ask you to send your message for 09048 213013, 09048 213093. Wetin you think about this matter? You go support making
may help am, abi go say make you don't help am,
abi you go say
mind you they are friends. You understand? And they are friends. And sometimes if your friend offend you, if you are a really good friend, you can as well forgive your friend.
No be when the friend don offend you several times, commit the same offense several times to show you say he be selfish
that one
wicked
no be
person.
several times
person dey tell you say he be wicked person, you dey talk say
wetin be several times? Say he ask am for 20k, he say no get. Is it not possible say no get?
When he help am too, when they stay for Enugu for almost 2 years, when he clothe am, do everything, he help am, feed am that time, go.
He was also doing well. Now two of them they do well now.
They do well, but he be there the guy house, and at the guy house rent he be dey live on top.
And
the guy
so
no help am.
See, when you dey help, I talked this thing before. If you dey help people,
so he come once now, make he help am again for the third time.
Let me tell you, don't ever feel entitled when you are helping people. Do it with the heart of God.
I no want
if the person appreciate you, fine. If the person no appreciate, forget it.
I do that one with
allow it to go.
He don't do. I no want do. Now by force.
So if you lose this job now, and you are and God can still use you as instrumental, wait till you go gain.
It's not me.
You know me, you don't care. Like you don't care. Is that what you're saying?
I will never care in Jesus' name.
No, don't put Jesus. Don't put Jesus.
I'm putting it
No,
because
don't put Jesus. Because Jesus I know, the Jesus I serve is Jesus that can forgive 20 times.
I say I don't
in fact, 500 times.
Bible say
Jesus, do you know how many times we have offended God and He will still do a lot for us?
I don't see. Do you know that?
Listen to me.
Do you know that God can forgive you, but the consequences of your sin will still remain? God can forgive you,
but that doesn't mean God will still not help you. God will still help you.
We hear you, but hear the word wey I use. Person wey go finish. Please, this is just an example, but it's also people's reality. Woman wey don go live life anyhow, im womb come scatter, come give im life to Christ, say may God forgive am. Of course God has forgiven you, but the consequences of that womb being scattered, you will live with it.
But na lie.
There is a
God can still show the person mercy.
Yes,
and the person
if
will have a child.
But there are people that too, they still love God and they are following God to today, and they still don't have children, and they may never have. That's why I said God can forgive you. Armed robber wey don go rob, kill people, wey give im life to Christ, God forgive am, but he still dey prison. That is the consequences of his sin. So God can forgive you, but the consequences of your sin will still remain.
But what we are saying here is simple.
It's simple for
you need to be human. The guy don't offend you, and he said, "I am sorry."
I need to be human.
He said,
Wait,
"Listen." He said, "I am sorry," and that means he don't feel remorse.
He
don't apologize.
Because he
don't apologize. He don't tell you, say, "Forgive me." So why can't you forgive him?
See, let me tell you.
Tommy, I don't see anything with that.
You said I should be human.
Nothing is permanent. Are you aware?
Wait now.
Are you aware that even you will get house for Lagos, there can be a time that if you don't get house again.
I don't. Yeah, God will not allow that to happen to me. Now listen, you said I should be human. I've been not waiting you talk.
That's what I'm saying. Forgive this guy.
Wait, talk him again.
Forgive the guy.
No, talk him again.
Forgive the. I will not. I'm not lying. I'm not repeat it. I will not repeat it again. I will not repeat it again.
Now,
I will not. I can never go back. I mean, what you do that one?
Wait.
I will not go back. Oga, forgive your friend. Accommodate him.
Okay,
that's where I am.
Hold on, they hear you. Hold on. You say I should be human.
I will not talk about it again. That one don't pass. I will not. If now what you want hear from me, I will not say anything.
Rugged, wait.
I will not respond to that one.
Rugged.
That one.
Wait.
Oh, brother. In fact, I go begin sing song. If that one. That one. Send us your message.
You say I should be human.
That's not what I'm saying. That's not what we are talking here.
But you mentioned
I will not talk about it.
Be human.
I will not talk about it.
I don't want to be human.
You don't have to be human. Then leave it now.
Yes, I want to be an aneg. Yes, so
be my friend. See, you have also wronged people. You understand? So forgive your friend.
I never be ungrateful.
And allow him,
even
if na 1 month, 2 months, allow stay with you.
I'm grateful for him. I no do am intentionally. This one is a selfish, self-centered, self-serving, narcissistic, greedy, ungrateful, insatiably negative, wicked person. No, I will never do that. My people, please, we are going on break.
No wahala.
Enjoy music. About You by Rema. Say help rubbish. Welcome back, my people. We still here together. Now still 89.9 Yanga FM. This nation wey sabi. Me and Roger don't talk on this way. Be say if you ask me, I won't give am blow, but I don't want my Jesus to reduce.
Oh, so you get Jesus?
Of course I do.
Now you know one help person.
Of course I do.
Somebody will need your help.
I bet message there for that place.
Okay. Nyanga FM and Compound Wahala, they greet on Awela. Thank you. You see this matter on ground. To me, the man forgive his friend and accommodate him again. It is only God that can reward. Yes. God bless you.
Which forgive which friend?
A kind and tender-hearted person in this life. The Bible says we should not stop doing good.
Yes.
Are you hearing me now?
You go do good till he go kill you.
Now let me finish.
Your good will send you to early grave.
Hold on. The message is still
you
coming.
See people where evil they worry. You see life. You see life. People have not made devil. They will never make it.
All right.
Bring it back, oh.
Now, he continue. He said, me, I have experienced that before. I have accommodated my friend and even people that I did not know before. A lot of them did not know it for me, but that did not stop me from helping people, even till date. Let the man help his friend again.
Okay.
Maybe through that, God can also be kind to him and also show him mercy.
No worry.
He said, one thing that I always have at the back of my mind is that we are here in the life for one another.
Okay.
No matter our differences.
Okay.
So with that, I keep trying my best to do good.
Okay.
Your name is Roderick Akande from VI Lagos. Roderick, God bless you for this message. You will continue to go places in life. Nobody will stop your life from shining. God love you. Continue to do good, my brother. You are in my WhatsApp group. We do good. And doing good is in our DNA.
Any other message?
No other message for now. I bet send us your message. More could know what you think about this matter. If you are going to support me and Roderick to say, let him forgive his friend and help him.
Go forgive who go
keep
kill
doing
you.
Good.
They do good, make them kill you.
Can I shock you, man?
No shock me. Not if he shock me for this life.
Now let me tell you something. Do you know that in the course of your doing good, are you hearing me now? Are you hearing me now?
I hear you.
In the course of your doing good, that is why God is blessing you. Do you know that some things you do? Are you hearing me now? Now let me tell you what happened. See, to do good oh.
I know.
I met a man.
Okay.
Are you hearing me now?
I hear you.
And something happened for that event.
Okay.
I know that I don't share this event with you before. I'm not supposed to go do that event.
Okay.
To be sincere.
Okay.
Because the money they're supposed to pay me no reach what I collect to do MC. But one my spirit tell me say go and help this person.
Okay.
I just okay, let me go and do good.
Okay.
I went to that wedding. As I finished MC the wedding, the chairman of the wedding can't like me, can't ask me, say, where are you from? I can't tell her. When I say I know your father is a good man.
Okay.
Instantly, that man dashed me 200,000.
Okay.
The man called me say, come to my office.
Okay.
I can't go meet the man for office.
Okay.
As I was leaving, the man gave me 300,000.
Okay.
Now, what am I trying to say? Since I met that man, I'm not kidding. I know how much I don't benefit from him. Because of the good when the man say my papa do.
Okay.
So sometimes do good, leave him.
I hear you.
Forget it.
Okay.
If you not come to you, to come to your children.
I don't.
So
hear.
let this man help his friend. This is friend. If he not do anything, no appreciation about God will bless him.
Friend wey be say you go help, where you go come need help, when no reach wetin you do for am. Help wey be say he know say if he do for you but he purposely no do am. Like I dey stand on top. If this guy be no get the job opportunity for Lagos, he no go call and say, my guy, how you dey abeg accommodate me.
It does not matter.
The point is, this guy is an opportunist and is a greedy person. Nothing wey Rugged wan talk, I don hear. And for Rugged to dey suspect this guy, I don dey suspect Rugged pastor from today. I go dey look at him and I go dey be inside this house because he get some things wey Rugged pastor don dey do me inside this house, so beside dey overlook, but now I go dey put eye well well.
I do good to people
my
well
people
well.
Make we bar break small.
Are you hearing me now?
Enjoy
Are
higher.
you hearing me now?
By Burna Boy.
Are you hearing me now?
I fit just kill you.
Are you hearing me?
I fit just kill you, make you no die.
Are you hearing me now?
Get out.
Do good though. You must be doing good.
Ishima. All right, my people. Yes, of course, we don't come to the end of this segment right now. We don't want to end down, but of course, all good things need to come to an end. So now where we dey for this time be this. We say thank you to una wey be say una don listen to us, and all the people wey be say una don enjoy this time with us for the show. We no take am for granted at all. Rugged. You still say make dem do wetin again?
Just forget the past.
Okay.
Help. See, I always tell people,
Okay.
if you're opportune to help anybody,
Okay.
just do it common face.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay.
No expect anything. I don't know what I share with you one day.
Okay.
The first time I began work for radio station, the person who I helped over 6-7 years back, I don't even remember the person again.
Okay.
I don't forget the person. Like I don't even know say anybody like that they exist, but I know say I just help one person.
See.
You dey hear?
Right.
So I come back now. Let me briefly tell you this story. I come back from youth service.
Yeah.
Then I come dey find work for one radio station. I go there, they tell me say they never dey employ, say no work.
Okay.
So as I cross road, make I enter motor, go back to my house. Now I see one jeep. They blow horn. Pa 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 pa. I say, who be this? He said, okay, pastor, come. I said, go. He said, you know me? I said, no, I know. He said, my name is Don Luciano now. I said, bros, I know, remember. He said, one night we will do one program for GRA for night. Where they stranded. Now you tell your cabman, that and a policeman they drive you. You tell the cabman, say make him go drop me for his own house first before they come my own house. And I don't know if you remember.
Okay.
So the guy had to remind me, say, now me go drop am first. I said, when? He said, don't they? I don't even remember say I do good for person. Seriously. So the guy asked me, say, what I do here? I can't say I can't find work for this radio, but say they say no space. He said, we don't want work for radio. I say yes. He said the general manager of the other radio, they stay for his house.
Wonderful.
So make I come, make I go start work there. He drive me that day. He live where in they go, drive me, go the radio. That Sunday, the manager come out, employ me.
Wow.
I said,
wow.
Jesus.
Wow.
Good way I do, no remember.
Wow.
I'm telling you the truth.
So the point where I want make for everything where you don't talk so be say, the people where you go do good for, sometimes you don't have to do so much, but then go remember and then go take them as big thing, value them, and some of them sometimes or a lot of the time go they look for different ways and opportunities to pay you back. But you say those people where you go overdo good for, where be say you go want kill yourself for that good way you they do for them.
Is there any good way you overdo?
No, you get good way you overdo. Oh. Good way be say you they do for this person, but the person go they look you like say you be dirty.
Chai.
You see that kind good. Now that good they talk say your good go kill you.
Away.
So if you know wetin good for you, where how you they do good and who you they do am to. Now there me I stand. Thank you my people.
All right, we dey come back for how una see am.
For now, enjoy with you by Davido featuring Omale. We will still be with you. Ishima, CCB.
We Sabina here we dey. In case you don't know, I Compound Wahala na still the show where they listen to. I know now we're gonna hear from now to 11. So we don't enter the second segment of the show. What would they call how ona see am? Rugged pastor, na my nomenclature be that. Call me a sugar, leg, laga, logo. That's if you're a fine woman, all right? And I dey here with my sister woman.
I don't understand. I know. My name na baby lawyer, aka Adankan.
I say my sister woman,
aka
pick up from where I
Compound Wahala,
start.
madam.
Rapper.
No, let me just tie your head. Press
Rapper.
you.
If I start with rap, you follow me rap.
Waiting the rap. Say now, I been waiting.
As I say, let's gentlemen, we're here. You gonna rap with me?
I don't rap.
I hear me now.
I know they hear you.
Why did they hear me?
I know one hear you.
I need to open your 2 ears.
I feel just give you blow.
Maybe they hear me. You need to be hearing me. See, never see anything.
You wicked though. You be very wicked person. Your heaven is view once.
You never teach auntie. Now we go there heaven gate. In case you don't know, all the girls will break my heart. No go pass. Ewu. So if you dey hear me now, you follow for people will break my heart. No say we go stop you for gate. So have it in your mind. Unless you come and beg early.
You come and do it.
Come and beg us early.
Who be the us?
I don't talk my own. If not, if you know the relationship I get with NJ Mike now, I want for you.
Which NJ Mike you dey talk?
How many NJ Mike we get?
Wait, na NJ Mike you turn his name to Mike.
No, na Mike we dey call ourselves.
Good. who Angel Michael?
No, they call am we. You know say you can't be over your person go be
Archangel.
Hold on.
Now of God.
Now make with the me
of the heavenlies.
Forget now my paddy man. So they call am Michael.
The only angel wey be say if he carry him staff up,
na my
everybody fit off.
We dey work together.
You dey work together with
I don give am some people name.
If Angel Michael, na you don call am Angel Michael.
He made me ife nye ahagi.
Nge ife man, and you will do nothing.
Ura ahagi nye Michael.
I know na Michael wey dey say for Oshodi, I know.
Oh Chineke.
No be
Angel Michael haponya.
I know say na Michael wey dey say for Oshodi.
As I tell you, they flash me.
He dey flash you. Angel Michael of God, Angel Michael will be the flash. No go talk this way, go up, I beg God. Heaven, I no follow. Heaven, I no follow, I beg God, I no follow.
So see,
Angel Michael, I no follow.
Can I tell you something?
I
hear whether angel now your messenger. So why are you not making it look like this thing? Oh, you don't even know who you are.
Michael is the archangel of God.
Do you know that angels they be a messenger?
Michael na angel we get over level they worry am.
Which over level?
Okay. That's why I tell you say your anointing oil wey dey that your head. We don't take a fried egg.
You don't even know
that residue wey dey na stew we go take and do.
You don't know the oil of me.
Yes, we know. Oil of Simbasa.
If you know the oil of me, you will recognize me more.
Get out. Recognition Nishima.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't mind this
gentlemen.
This oko.
Ladies and gentlemen,
happy.
Now you go be happy.
In fact, from today gonna poke pericoba.
Me and you.
In fact, think as I want the pericoba. No ale hebelebe pericoba le.
I don't know the person wey go give the idea say make my GM carry me and rugged dey one show. The person wey do me this thing, God bless you. Because if I just go tell you say pass God bless you, something fit just happen. So now I only tell you say God bless you.
See ma tell you.
Wetin you wan tell me?
Let me tell you something.
Who you be?
You need to be loyal.
Yo.
That's all I want.
God.
Be loyal.
Which one be that's all you want? I send wetin you want.
I don't want nothing more. Be loyal.
Wetin be nothing more?
I don't want another.
My God. Chineke na ke catch you eba yeba.
Eba tago, e ga happen.
Yeah, you are a fish.
Eba go.
He was.
He was.
Ebe
mmadụ wụrụ ahụ ime.
That he was.
Ibu ahụ ime asị ga ọbago. Ọbago ihe ime. Ịbatago.
God, this was not what I prayed for.
You prayed for it.
Your head dey pain you. Brain dey worry you.
Is it what you got versus what you honor? You never share anything.
This one not pass what I got. Because I know. See, it's okay. My people, more than no vessel. Now still Compound Wahala show you dey, and now still 89.9 Yanga FM you dey on top. Nothing do your radio. Now the station wey sabi you dey on top. No vex, yeah. Now this woman be where God carry me say me I dey work with am, but man just dey help in life. They come, may no be like say I no do.
I don't have a problem with just be loyal. That's all.
If I just give you wish, something go just dey pay you for.
I'm happy that your dad told you to be loyal to me. And mama, your mommy, your beautiful mommy, an amazing woman, has also told you to be loyal to me. So I don't know why you don't want to be loyal. Okay, maybe you're waiting for GM, Mr. Marvin, to tell you to be loyal.
Even himself no go put mouth. I promise you. See me and him matter. He go prefer peace of God. Now to put mouth for me and you matter. But man no talk. My people jare, this one for how una see am. We say make we first laugh inside though, because the matter serious. And wetin be the issue? Now about one of our Compound Wahala people we talk say her husband, she and her husband now don dey married for 5 years. And say the man, there na only one thing dey cause problem between them for that past 5 years. I say wetin? I come ask am, I say she na money? She say no. I say na obloblo? She say no. I come say you dey carry the una matter wey una dey get go meet your family or how? I been dey carry your own go meet im family. She say no. You know they give you chop money for house? She say no. In dey carry, as in we no come business e too dey work e no dey come. She say no, as if it come be the problem. She say na im phone. Say her husband talk say make anything no make her touch im phone.
Good man.
She say that good man go. She talk say anytime wey she go try to touch im phone, say her husband phone fit dey ring in dey baff, im go carry phone for body from bathroom run enter room to carry im phone to pick im call. Say she come dey ask am say, but I be your wife. For the past 5 years wey me and you don marry, I don born 3 children give you. I still carry the last born for hand. I no reach make I fit hold your phone, check your phone, use your phone play.
Wetin she dey use am do?
But he know the password. She say her husband know the password to her own phone. Anytime when he want access to her phone, he get access to her phone. But why she no fit get access to him own phone? Say this thing now don dey cause problem. So tey him husband, the last matter wey happen about this phone matter, when she try to pick call for am, when him bin dey sleep, as he hear phone, see say him wife wan pick phone, he collect the phone from the woman, come warn am say if she ever touch the phone again, say him go divorce am.
Good man.
Na where we dey so?
Good man.
So my people, una believe say make she just close mouth, obey the man jejely, no look him phone? Abi make she really go, in fact tell am say you know wetin, if na so, if na this phone dey important to you pass this our marriage, oya make we dey go.
Oh,
How you take see am?
good man.
Because why me and Roger go talk this matter so, I wan make una send una message to 090 48 21 3013. Again 090 48 21 3013. We dey wait for una.
E be like say when we come back from this break, we go now talk our own mind, because to me I get things to talk, but when we come back my heart is heavy.
That heaviness
I need
na
to
im go
offload
kill you.
it.
That heaviness na im go kill you.
You no fit
That
kill me.
heaviness go press
I
you.
no fit die.
That heaviness
Let me tell you
go
something.
oppress
Wow.
you. That is why you will wound.
I will never wound.
So wetin be the thing wey you dey talk about this matter now? Because I no come dey hear you since. You just dey talk say they say the man's phone is his privacy. That privacy go kill am.
If you want your marriage to last, as a woman, avoid your husband phone.
Okay, good. Then why the man
If you
too
no
no-
take advice,
why the
take
man no
this
dey
advice
avoid
wey I
him
dey
wife
give you
phone?
now.
Why the man no dey avoid him wife phone? And first of all, how can you be telling me that me and you are married when the Bible says that a man and his wife have become one, one in everything? So
I hear you.
how is a
Bible
device,
tell you say make you press your
a
go dey touch your
device that
husband phone.
cannot bring you good health, a device that cannot bring you happiness, a device that if you lost it your life will continue,
I hear you.
now going to be a determinant of me and you's union? That is rubbish.
Now let me
for
tell
you
you.
to tell me as a man that if I touch your phone again that our marriage is over, nkiti parachagi anya there. What do you mean?
Wetin dey find for my phone?
Why I no go fit touch your phone?
What are you looking for?
I no be your wife.
If you see wetin dey find now, you go rest.
your wife.
See, let
Wetin
me
dey
tell
your
you.
phone wey you dey hide?
No, let me tell you something.
Wetin dey your phone wey you no wan make I see?
Now listen to me.
Why me as your wife you don expose me wey be say
Now
me as your
listen to
wife? I
me.
have seen you in the flesh, I have seen you naked and everything. Wetin dey your body wey I no know wey remain?
Baby
If
lawyer.
wey dey to kill you na me go know how to kill you. So
Baby
wetin dey your
lawyer,
phone
let
wey you no
me-
go come show me your phone?
If you don't take any advice from me, take this one today. If you marry, avoid your husband phone for peace to reign.
For peace to reign.
I know why.
Wetin dey im phone wey I no fit
Because
see?
you go see things wey go shock you.
But wetin why you go get things wey go shock me for im phone?
I don't want to
And
tell
I be
you.
wife. Why you go get as no for every man? Because
Married
many women
dey tell
today,
you o.
many women today discovered how many children their husband had outside from checking their phone. These men had these children, cheated on their wives while married, had children outside. I know person wey be say the pikin sef don reach 9 years. They were married for about 15 years or so.
So after you discover
The man-
what's the next?
Of course.
You break the home.
Of course.
You go home.
Yes.
Who lose?
Because
Who
nobody lose.
No, na she lose.
Na the
now.
man lose.
Na she lose.
Na
now.
the man
If
lose.
you break your home,
Because
go.
at
Who
the end
lose?
of the day, for you to be
The
a
man go dey
man,
marry o.
for you, the woman too can remarry.
Remarry for where?
The woman too can
The
remarry.
chances is very low.
Which low? Who made it low?
It's very low.
Who made it low? What What statistic do you have that made it low?
A man can remarry even at the age of 80
People
years.
like Iyabo Ojo today,
Even at 80 years, a man can remarry.
A woman too can
A
remarry.
woman,
See that
as far
one
as
is
they are 50, 60, you might not
Done
remarry.
that thing 20 years ago, not be today.
Don't destroy your home because of phone.
The man should be the person not to destroy his home. If na say you dey waka could recorded, you dey waka outside, dey go cause problem. Na for inside phone. No be here last week we treat matter of the woman wey be say discover say her husband get HIV. No be when she go check him medication, come check him phone, see him doctor's appointment, she take no say him don carry HIV. Carry HIV for 2 years, come give him wife and the woman no know.
Don't worry, as a woman, if you dey check your husband
if
for
the woman be no go check, but the man did not tell her, is that not wickedness?
Continue checking
Is
phone.
that not wickedness?
See, hear me oh.
How can you have a man as a man have access to your wife's phone but your wife no go come get access to your phone? Wetin you dey hide? But tomorrow if you sick, you get cancer, kidney stone, kiniko shebi at the end of the day you no go get power to press that same phone. Na you the woman wey be the wife doctor go say carry the phone hand to your wife.
Allow
say I no go see
not to follow
no dey waka
she
kuru carry as
too
man.
emotional.
No be emotional, na reality.
You must face reality.
You are married, be faithful to your wife, stay in your marriage.
No,
don't be walking up and down.
All
Making you to be deleting messages and keeping useless secrets.
May we give you
and
number.
Be offending God and your wife.
I don't do. We'll give them number.
Ishima.
Because right now you are taking it too personal.
It's not personal.
And I am telling you that if you want your marriage, if you want your marriage to last,
many men are guilty.
I've seen a lot of women regretting today because they go check their husband's phone and they are crying till now.
But why
will I be your wife? Let me tell you, I've seen a lot of women. I've seen married women say that. The only time that is keeping their home is because they avoided their husband's phone.
Okay, good.
Please
so
stay away.
I will be your wife. You go know my ATM password. You know my phone password. You know everything. Then me I no come fit know your own phone password.
You fit collect my ATM, no issue, but avoid my phone. Okay. I dey tell you.
That phone wey you don turn to idol and God inside our marriage.
Avoid my phone.
Instead of God in heaven, you turn phone to God inside our marriage.
No be God.
That phone.
The man is saving your marriage.
Oh,
is even do you favor.
Saving my marriage.
Is do you favor.
See, Roger, this thing bad sote. I don see, you know, this kind of people wey dey do prank videos wey dem tell couples for events say, can we see your last 3 messages? All the men wey dem check, dem do am with 25 men. 22 their last 3 messages, 2 out of the 3 was to a concubine, a side chick, a baby mama wey their wife no know.
That is why you need to avoid their phone.
It is terrible.
No.
But will those men accept it if it was their wife?
Avoid their phone.
If women started telling their husbands avoid my phone, will the men like it?
I wish some married women.
If women started passwording their phones and telling their husband avoid my phone, will the men like it?
Please, if you're a married woman,
una go dey do things wey una no go fit tolerate.
Hold on. If you're a married woman, please talk to us. All right, just advise the young ones.
Advice with young ones.
Is it because baby and one of the young ones? She never married. She don't understand the experience.
I don't blame you.
Advise her.
Future husband, if they born you well, man no get password to your phone.
As a married woman,
dear my future husband, if they born you well, oh, make I no get access to your phone.
Do you check your husband's phone? Let us know.
I go use your phone play game, Candy Crush, everything wey I like. Na for your phone I go dey do am.
The number na
make I see you, make you no allow me.
The number na 0904 821 3013. Make I call am again 0908 0904 821 3013. Let us know. All right now the man don't tell the wife, please, you can do anything but avoid my phone. I beg, as a married man or married woman, your wife they check your phone. As a woman, they check your husband's phone. Please let us know. If you don't get experience to share with us, waiting checking on phone don't cost you.
Because some people feel don't go through phone. You can't see waiting past your eye.
So let us know. All right. Make we read this message before we enter break.
Okay. All right, of course, you see they here on top 89.9 Yanga FM. The station where Sabi. Now here you do on top so. And my name is Remain Baby Lawyer, aka Adan Kano, aka the Compound Wahala Madam.
All right, Rocket Pastor. Now my name be that. Call me. I'm a sugar laga. If you're a fine woman, we'll get some messages here. If you never send us message concerning the matter where they grab, feel free to drop your own comment because we need your own comment. All right, maybe your comment now if it helps somebody where they go through because this is what they talk about today. A lot of people they go through them.
Very true.
Yes. So please Let us help some family right now. Rugged Pastor and Baby Lawyer on a too much and enjoy on a show. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Except for this matter, I don't support the man behavior at all. What is he hiding that he does not want the wife to know or discover?
Thank you.
Since it has come to the point of divorcing, if the woman tried to check his phone, let the woman not bother to touch or even check his husband's phone again, just to avoid more issues. I know the woman will not be happy, but let her just avoid his phone for the sake of her marriage. Exactly. It's about, to me, I don't support women not having access to her men's phone. The Bible says two shall become one.
Bam.
Now, where is the oneness?
Very true.
In this, when wife cannot have access to her husband's phone, for the sake of peace, let the woman avoid her husband's phone. Roderick Akande from VI. Thank you so much. For the sake of peace. That's what I keep saying.
So make I tell you
for the
something.
sake of peace.
Rugged Pastor, I know person will be say he and him guys do business together. They get argument over money, like business for workplace, and then one side hustle wey dem do. Dem bin dey threa ten this guy life. Rugged Pastor, you go believe say dem really send people kpai that guy. But how the lady take fit identify say the suspect wey get hand for this thing na so and so person wey dey work with him husband? Na because one, she and her husband dey close enough wey be say the man dey share things with am. You no understand me? She get access to the man phone. The man dey tell her say, do you know that so and so person is threatening me? Do you know that so?
No, you can share things.
So
that would not be bad.
And no, wait, Nazin. The woman get access to him phone anytime she gets him password. Since she get things wey be say na she by herself screenshot, na husband screenshot some send give her. Wey when that thing come happen, she fit present am as evidence to the company and police say, see the people wey me I know say go get hand. And when they really run investigation, na those people gone na dem run that thing. Imagine say if that guy no dey open to him wife. Imagine say if she no come get access.
Be open.
No, if she no come get access to him phone, to fit dey able to get those screenshots, information and things.
Okay, for instance,
to fit pinpoint those men say that they guilty of him death. Wetin for happen? Dem go scot free now.
I can tell my wife.
What are you saying?
I can tell my wife everything I dey do. You understand? Fine. Tell am, okay, I dey go here. See person who I get business with. You understand? Tell your wife to know your whereabouts. Tell your wife things where they happen.
But Rugged,
but you see phone, avoid phone.
Wetin men dey always do wait for that phone wey dem no dey like make their wife know.
Now let me tell you the things.
Shebi time dey for Nigeria wey phone be no dey Nigeria. People bin dey married.
Now let me tell you what.
Dem no dey mind their business.
Let me tell you one thing with that phone. If you see wetin a single girl wey I no get something with. Maybe the girl they get eye on me.
Okay.
The girl can't mess with that girl go send to me. You go feel say me and that girl to do something.
Okay.
Are you hearing me now?
So what happened to you sharing that the girl is toasting you with me, your wife?
Make her share am with you.
Oh yes.
So that you go come dey feel bad.
No, I will not feel bad.
You will feel bad.
So that me and you will go and wonder.
You will feel bad.
That is what marriage is about.
Oh, me and you go and wonder.
If a man was disturbing me,
and you go and wonder.
If a man was disturbing me, I will tell you my husband.
I cannot do that.
And you as a man will join me and go and look for the man and warn him.
If a man
tell him this is my woman and I paid full price.
Now let me put it.
That's how marriage is.
Hold on. If a man is disturbing you, I cannot go and warn the man. I will tell this man that you are married. Tell him to stay away from you.
Okay.
I cannot come and say, wait till I go one and for.
Okay, no problem.
I can go one and say what happened.
Rugged, shebi na wetin you don talk.
Why should I want the man?
Shebi you say make me and you marry.
If you fall for her, you go for her.
Rugged, you wey be say if person greet me when me and you dey waka, I never even tell you, you never even toast me finish o. Person go greet me when me and you dey waka, you go carry eye, your eye go come big like owl own, like ikwikwi. You go come stand like say you wan kill am.
You never even ask me why I dey look am.
No problem.
You go ask me
all
why.
Your face go come change. Throughout that day you no go come follow me talk because man greet me.
If a man greet you, I go size her. Is he capable?
Is he capable?
Because I don't want you to meet a man that is not capable.
This is exactly why I call you Ishima.
I don't want to meet anyone.
This is why I call you
Shodo. If you meet anyone, you will not like it.
This is why I call you what Banshee.
I should be able to recommend a man that can take care of you.
You recommend man to me
that can take care of you.
That can take care of me. You don't take care of me. You wey promise me 30 million kobo when you never even give me 1 kobo.
Because you are not loyal.
Get out with that your loyal.
The day you show loyalty, you receive plenty money from me.
That loyalty go bend your neck.
You know loyal.
I say you go bend your neck.
Yeah, see, at the talk, you see the shout.
Your neck go bend. See
who I want marry. Perico.
Okoko. Get out.
Come on for there. We gotta go. We gotta go. Anywhere you do, join us. We gotta go. We are about to leave the studio. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Now the career we done just
go. See, this song is produced by me, written by me.
I know.
Approved by me.
Mastered by you.
Composed by me. Mastered by me.
Hallelujah. They play.
Back up by Baby Lawyer.
God forbid. You don't go ever think be me for this life. God forbid.
It's about back up this one. This one go blow.
I no go do one.
We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Oh God.
We gotta go. Oh wait. We gotta go.
If una see rugged pastor mama, una no go ever believe say as that woman fine, wonderful. Say na she born this rugged pastor wey dey behave like Ishima.
She's happy.
For this life, una no go ever believe.
She's happy that.
But we give God the glory.
She have somebody like me.
Who you be?
That is bringing smile to the family.
I bring wetin?
Smile.
See as he do mouth like
to the family.
Like.
Are you hearing me now?
As Okpo.
Are you hearing me now?
No, I no hear you.
You need to be hearing me.
Why you always ask say am I hearing you? Hear the baby. See, I beg my people. Already talk am.
See,
we gotta
in
go.
In case you hear this song tomorrow, no say na we produce am.
Who be the we? Who be the we? Oh God. Who be the we?
We gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. In every condition, we gotta go.
You go really go. For that condition, you go really go. I swear.
Everything we get beginning, get the end, uncle. We gotta go. Cha. If you don't make it today, we gotta go. We go make it tomorrow. Life not turn by turn. We gotta go. See, sign me. Okay, no, you cannot sign me.
Might sign you.
No, you don't face sign me.
Which signature you want me put?
You don't face sign me. Now, don't just have to wait for.
I beg, check whether message there.
No message here.
No message.
Now, Don Baba.
Don Baba.
Now, you go soon sign me.
Yes, Don
Baba. I saw it in my dream.
Don Baba who?
Don Jazzy.
Don Jazzy of Shomolu Abi. My people, Jale, we greet you now. We thank you so much. Stay with us on top of the show today, and we happy for the the ones who send messages. For the people who send message, we say the message we enter sweetness type. No problem, we still receive them. God bless you now. We don't come to the end of the show today. Of course, you see no say 89.9 Yanga FM, the station with Sabi 9 you day on top. And as we don't say good night, we go right to remind you now say for Yanga FM. We do on all platforms, better now for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, X, where some people see they call Twitter, and the handle na Yanga 899 FM. Yanga 899 FM. For YouTube, na Yanga FM Nigeria. Go there, you go see all our content, all the bass boats they there, they wait for you. For the people who see that our hot content will be dropped today for Compound Wahala this evening. If you don't know, go for Instagram. Yanga 899 FM. Go see the snippets and of course follow from there. Enter YouTube. Make you watch the real deal. Find Compound Wahala. You go see all the shows, all the episodes for there, and you go just enjoy yourself for that way. Yanga FM Nigeria. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification button. But for you, where we say you still want to listen anywhere where you did for Obodo Ibo all over Nigeria, no fear. You feel listen for now on top. The web address will be www.yanga899.fm www.yanga899.fm. You go listen to us, you go hear us loud and clear for that way. For me, of course, I did on top Instagram and TikTok with the handle will be babylawyer_official. For Instagram and for TikTok, babylawyer_official. For Facebook, I be real baby lawyer. And then for X, where some people see they call Twitter, I be babylawyer_1 as in digit 1. All right.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us today on the show. And follow me on top of my social media platform. All right, at I am Rocket Pastor. Yeah, at I am Rocket Pastor. For Instagram, X, I am Rocket Pastor. TikTok, at I am Rocket Pastor. And Facebook, Rocket Pastor.
You better
YouTube,
talk when me the figure you they do pastor.
They
do pastor.
All of us know we're all we all came back. We just got back.
You don't go back for where Bariga. God.
YouTube Rocket Pastor TV. All right, and one thing you gotta know is that our job is to make sure that you are happy. So keep listening to it 9.9. Your girl, we'll see you tomorrow for peace. And for peace.
It sound like person they chop hot here and way young for in truth. I beg, up next is sweetness with whispers.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.